As a designer, I always want to expand my skill set and knowledge. When I was younger, I had zero access to the internet, but as soon as I had the opportunity, I started to be very intrigued with this kind of black magic. Looking back, I was getting into graphic design and I was very fascinated by the idea of making a website. But sooner than later, I discovered that it's not like making a drawing of it, but you needed to know how to write HTML. I was so scared by that, so I kept going on with my amazing Photoshop skills, looking at HTML like some sort of witchcraft. Adobe Muse is what you see is what you get software. Basically, you could drag and drop elements and the code was generated for you. I loved that idea and I hated the software. Oh my god. It was terrible. Every time I had an idea, I was so excited to start building it with Adobe Muse, only to find myself hours later deep into the project, crying like a child and wanting to destroy my computer. However, I managed to do some paid work and publish 2 websites with Adobe Muse. But then they gave me the best surprise ever. The time was perfect. I just started making some money with it and they discontinued.
Emotional damage!
I scrolled through the internet for hours and days. WordPress, Elementor. Nope, not you. Fuck you. And then I found it. Webflow is a what you see is what you get software, just like Muse, but it's browser-based and it has a very simple interface. But you can get quite a lot of complex things done. Webflow is also a no-code application. That means that you don't have to know any HTML, CSS or even JavaScript to use it. But well, if you do, it's like having superpowers. On the left side, you have control over the core of your website. You can add elements to the page, pages to the website, database, e-commerce, and much more. On the right side, you have precise control over every aspect design related to your website. And so here we are, starting our first lesson on how to use Webflow and get a stunning website.